Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your iPad Air first generation, go for the settings. Next you have to find sound. When you're here, at the first you can change volume of the ringtone and alerts by moving this dot on the right or left. We can also change volume with buttons by tapping on the switcher, and right now when you press volume up or volume down button you can make it smoothly. We can here change sounds from ringtone, text tone, mail, new or send, calendar alerts, reminder and airdrop. For example, we can change the airdrop. It's set up on the pulse, but we can get the keys. Below we can enable or disable keyboard clicks and the lag sound. And basically that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.